Shark WD201 Hydrovac Cordless Pro XL 3-in-1 Vacuum, should you buy it? The Shark Hydrovac Cordless Pro is a solid wet-dry vacuum. While mopping, it does an excellent job at removing dirt from the floor. In addition, it handles most of the debris with ease, only struggling with cereal. Noise levels were fairly average and usability is wonderfully simplistic. For our cleaning test, we measured how well the Hydrovac was able to handle solid debris on hardwood floors. We laid sugar, kitty litter, rice, and cereal on the floor and ran the mop over while on hard floor mode. After the test, we checked how much of the debris was removed by weight. Cleaning performance was excellent in most cases for the Shark Hydrovac. With cereal, the Hydrovac struggled to pick it up, largely due to the short height of the gap between the cleaning head and the floor in front of the brush roll. That height was too short for the cereal to get under, therefore making it extremely difficult for the Hydrovac to pick up. Otherwise, the Hydrovac had no issues. I will note that with the Shark Hydrovac or generally any wet-dry vacuum you might use, the dirty water tank and the debris bin are the same container. Meaning the physical debris often gets mixed with the dirty water. The Hydrovac's dirty water tank has a separator to catch the debris, but it will still mix on some level. This vacuum is a great addition to any home or apartment. It doesn't take much space and can happily live in a corner of any room, as all you need the base for is to charge the vacuum. Being wireless, you can quickly take it to any room, rug or hard floor that needs vacuuming. One of the things that I enjoy from this new Shark vacuum is that it moves forward on its own with just a small push, similar to corded vacuums. The receptacle that catches the debris is transparent. This helps determine when you need to throw away the contents, though the instructions do recommend you do so after every use. I tried the vacuum on my hardwood floors, and as a mop, it really leaves the floors looking, feeling, and smelling clean. Next, I took the vacuum to my small carpeted office. Again, I could clearly see a difference after the vacuum, and it left my office smelling nice and clean. My wife, who self-admits is not a tech-savvy person, texted me one day and told me she grabbed the vacuum and found it easy to use and understand. I agree with her. Every morning, while she's getting ready, I'll use the vacuum to clean the area near the cat litter box, and she uses it in the afternoon for a quick once-over. Now, that area remains cleaner more often. I'll be one to admit that, though we vacuum our home often, we don't mop at the same ratio, nor as often as we should. Having one device that both vacuums and mops and is easy to clean makes the task seem less of a hassle, and we are both loving it. The beautiful thing about the Shark Hydrovac Cordless Pro is its simplicity. Through setup, using the device, and cleaning it, every step of the process was easy, especially with the addition of self-cleaning features to reduce maintenance. What's more, the Hydrovac had great cleaning performance while mopping and cleaning, only failing to remove all of the cereal. If you have mostly hard floors, the Shark Hydrovac is a solid cleaning solution. Should you buy the Shark Hydrovac Cordless Pro? I would recommend the Shark Hydrovac Cordless Pro if you are looking for the following features. Wet-dry vacuum with great usability. From setup to maintenance, the Shark Hydrovac is incredibly easy to use. It has a simple control scheme that makes cleaning less of a hassle. Furthermore, it can self-clean the brush roll for reduced maintenance. Excellent cleaning performance. If your house is mostly hard floors, the Hydrovac is equipped to clean it. It had excellent mopping performance in our tests, removing a good amount of dirt and debris from the floor. Additionally, it removed 90.2% of debris in our cleaning test, only struggling with the larger debris.